Life doesn't end after 40, queens. You've poured into everyone else, and now it's time you pour into yourself. And today we're going to be pouring some water on you. Yes, girl, we are talking about another hot topic. Literally, with this crazy 2024 heat wave, we need to talk about hydration. But today we're diving into the different types of water: alkaline, distilled, purified, tap, and even raw water, and which one is best for keeping us hydrated. So grab your favorite summer drink and get comfy, and let's get into it. So first, let's break down the basics of each type of water. It's like choosing your squad for a road trip. You gotta know who's bringing what to the table, right? You don't want everybody bringing just beer, because you need food too, right? All right. So anyway, alkaline water has higher pH levels than regular tap water, making it less acidic. It's rich in minerals like calcium and magnesium, which can help with hydration and overall health. Some studies suggest that alkaline water may enhance hydration by providing antioxidants that benefit cell health and potentially aid in reducing acid reflux. That's pretty amazing, right? But what if your body's already alkaline? You may not need alkaline water, right? So next, we have distilled water. This is my favorite. This is water that's been boiled into steam and then condensed back into liquid, removing impurities and minerals. It's super pure, but some argue it's too pure, meaning it lacks essential minerals that are good for our bodies. I like to get my minerals from my food. So on the flip side, distilled water helps flush out toxins from the body. Yes, because it's so pure, when you drink it, it flushes out toxins from the body. It promotes healthy kidney function and can improve heart health by reducing mineral buildup in the blood vessels, that is. So next we have purified water. Purified water is any water that's been filtered to remove impurities. It can be purified through various methods using distillation, like we just talked about, reverse osmosis, and carbon filtration. This water retains some minerals and is free from most contaminants, except for the distilled water, which doesn't retain any minerals, making it a solid choice for everyday hydration. Think of it as a balanced, all-around player on your hydration. Are you starting to see why it's good to know what kind of water that you need, and that you might need something different depending on whether you're acidic or not, if you're trying to flush out toxins? Finally, there's good old tap water. Depending on where you live, tap water can be great. It can be a great affordable option anyway. It's usually treated to remove harmful substances and fortified with fluoride for dental health. A whole other topic. However, it can sometimes contain trace amounts of contaminants, and so it's essential to know the quality of your local water because you're not filtering it yourself. There is a tool, it's really fairly cheap, that you can dip and see how many parts per million are in the water to see if it's safe to drink. Now, next we have raw water, which is all the craze now, and it's really expensive, but we're going to talk about that later. This raw water comes from the springs and it's not filtered, and there's potential for harm because if the water's been contaminated, you can get sick. But I want to save that for another video because I have a lot more to say about this raw water situation. That's all the craze right now. So now let's talk about the cons of drinking water from plastic containers, because most of our water that we buy at the store comes in plastic containers, right? So you're trying to drink water to stay healthy. The plastic bottles contain BPA, bisphenol A, or other chemicals that can leach into the water, especially when exposed to heat or sunlight. Studies have linked BPA to various health issues, including hormonal disruptions, heart problems, and increased cancer risk. So yeah, think about that the next time you pick up a plastic bottle to drink on. And we'll talk more about that another time because plastic bottles are a whole other thing. So furthermore, plastic bottles can release microplastics into the water, which we end up consuming. And research indicates that these microplastics can cause inflammation and other health issues in the body. So not only are we hydrating, but we might also be adding unwanted chemicals into our bodies, which is counterintuitive, right? And to top it all off, after all of that, plastic bottles are contributing to environmental pollution. They take hundreds of years to decompose, and many end up in our ocean, harming marine life. Switching to reusable glass or stainless steel bottles can help reduce these risks and environmental impact. Stay tuned for my video on distilled water because that's all my craze. Anyway, Studies suggest that while all these types of water can hydrate you, the added minerals in alkaline and purified water might give them a slight edge in terms of health benefits. However, the most important thing is to stay hydrated, no matter what type of water you prefer. Remember, the average person should drink about 8 to 10 cups of water a day, but most people only manage around 4 cups. And by the way, drinking 8 cups today hydrates you for tomorrow. Did you know you can put distilled water in a glass jar and let it sit in the sun to change its structure? Well, some people believe this makes it more absorbable. While there's limited scientific evidence to fully back this, Ayurvedic medicine has used this practice for a long time. So it's an interesting method worth exploring if you're into holistic practices. So until next time, stay cool, stay hydrated. Whether you prefer alkaline, distilled, purified, tap water, or raw water for that matter, the key is to drink up and stay healthy. Tune in next time for more tips on summer nutrition and hydration. All right, my beautiful queens, I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, you know what to do. You hit that like button, drop a comment, follow me, and share your experiences with drinking water and how that's working out for you. And don't forget to subscribe and follow me to stay connected. Remember, your mental health is just as important as your physical health. Stay healthy, stay inspired, stay beautiful, and stay what? You stay sexy. And until next time, you keep shining, taking care of yourself and those around you. Peace and love.